Hey everybody, Colin from Smartron Electric here. We are at Orwin Manor, a neighborhood in downtown Orlando. We just finished this very nice lighting project. We got these new 4-inch cans, and they have a really cool feature called dim to warm. We have our dimmer here. And look at that. That light warms up, gives that sunset feel for when you're getting ready to go to sleep at night. Right, coming in through here into this flex room over here. We have some Pico remotes set up here, there, and there. When we do this one, these two shut off. What's cool about this is if you press this up arrow right here, they come on to that warm setting, the lowest dim setting, which is really nice when you're just waking up in the morning. You just press one button and you're not blinded. And we got these 4 cans here, and these will be controlled right here. There we go. And then same concept here. Press that dim up arrow, and we have dim lights right here. And so you'll notice that we have 3 remotes in here. The actual physical switches are up here. Check it out. Just like that. Sometimes this is the most economical way of doing 3 ways and entrance switching in these older homes with plaster rock walls and distinct lack of attic space in some cases. Turned out really nice. All right, y'all have a great day.